Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Brina Safitri from class TBI 1. I will explain my material entitled in literary language. Then I will explain. First, what is literary language? From a linguistic standpoint, literary language is but one of a number of varieties of discourse, like informal speech or the idiom of the law. Literary language is a style or form of language used in literary writing. The intent of this investigation is to disclose how and why literary writers foreground their texts and what meanings and effects are associated with foregrounding, deviations, creativity, style, and aesthetics on literature. Poetry, derived from the Greek poiesis making, is a form of literature that uses aesthetic and often rhythmic qualities of language, such as phonesthetic, sound symbolism, and meter, to evoke meanings in addition to or in place of a prosaic ostensible meaning. A poem is a literary composition written utilizing this principle. Both of these recent and apparently contradictory statements about Anglo-Saxon poetic language have important truth in them. There is a general similarity in the language of much of the poetry which distinguishes it sharply from most prose. On the other hand, it is possible to find examples of rather prosaic verse and rather poetic prose, and although these have often been regarded as evidence of the decline or decadence of the literary traditions, not all are late in time and some are in other respects examples of the more skillful writing.
Welen himpa werman, rakas kannade, an hudi errol. Arvosa dreag, havde him to yesitha, sorga and longath, winterchade rake, wean oft onvond, sithan hinna needhard on nede leide, swonkle sona bende on sullen mun, thas over rede, this is swa mai.
Next, what is prose? Prose is verbal or written language that follows the natural flow of speech. It is the most common form of writing, used in both fiction and non-fiction. Prose comes from the Latin prosa oratio, meaning straightforward. Prose can vary depending according to style and purpose. There are four distinct types of prose that writers use. 1. Non-fictional prose. Prose that is a true story or factual account of event or information is non-fiction. 2. Fictional prose. A literary work of fiction. This is the most popular type of literary prose, used in novels and short stories, and generally has characters, plot, setting, and dialogue. 3. Heroic prose. A literary work that is either written down or preserved through oral tradition, but is meant to be recited. 4. Prose poetry. Poetry written in prose form. This literary hybrid can sometimes have rhythmic and rhyming pattern. Next, what is the difference between prose and poetry? Prose 1. Follow natural patterns of speech and communication, 2. Has a grammatical structure with sentence and paragraphs. 3. Use everyday language. 4. Sentence and text continue across lines. Poetry. 1. Traditional poetry has deliberate patterns such as rhythm and rhyme. 2. Many poems have a formal metrical structure, repeating patterns of beats. 3. Incorporates more figurative language. 4. Poems visually stand out on a page with narrow columns, following line lengths, and more wide space on a page than prose. 5. Deliberate line breaks. Maybe that's all I can explain from the literary language material. Ayan, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.